All right, guys, now the summer is coming. The grills are coming out. You know, the worst part of grilling is cleaning the grill after. I got you with an electric cleaning brush. Here's what comes in the box. Now the summer is up almost here. This is a perfect thing to have. A cleaning, this is the manual right here. It tells you everything you need to know, how to take care of it, the buttons, what they do. So if you don't watch this video, read it so you can know what to do. So this is how it looks. This came off apart, but I'll show you how to use it. Brings a carrying bag. So this is a scraper that you can clean it. So all you do, you see, you can take all of it apart to clean it afterwards. But what you do is you slide this, and it has these little teeth there that you can use. Put them here, and then you just close, press in until it locks in. Now it's nice and locked. This is how it looks. Show you how to dismantle it before I show you how to use it. But this is how it looks. Fire button. It has a flashlight, so you know after we're done cooking, it might be at night. So you can rest assured that you're gonna be able to do a good job because you have a light right here. Tells you the batteries right here. It's 25, 50, 75, and 100. Like I told you, it has a splash guard, has a scraper. You can, these are like metal brush. It's a metal brush. It's not like a sponge. It's actual metal. So all you have to do is turn it on and just go through the grill grates and clean them. So it just has one speed. Just press this button and it goes. See right there, and then you just go clean it. And then it has a splash guard. If it's at night, you can turn on the flashlight right here, and then you just go and clean your grill. That will make it a lot easier. And like I show you, take this off, press, this opens. Take this off, you clean it, and then you take this off and clean it. And then you can clean this too, because it's not gonna get damaged. So very convenient, very easy to use, very easy to dismantle, to clean, or to put it back together. It's super easy. So if you're looking for a cleaner, now that summer is coming, this is the one. Great price, greatly made. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. You can see this is my grill right now. I hate cleaning it, but she's not gonna put water or anything. I'm just gonna do it now so you can see. I was taking all the things that are stuck in there, just cleaning it, putting pressure on it, and just the work. No anything is a brush, so definitely recommend it. This is how dirty it was, or it is, after cleaning. But then we just clean it like I showed you. Give you 90 plus minutes of use. So this 2 minutes, our grill is ready to go. See here, cleaned it all. Nice, easy, and fast.